I have bought a 350Z. This is probably going to be one of the best builds I've ever done so far. My original plan for this, and it is what I am going with, this is going to be a Fast and Furious 350Z build. I'm going to put a picture on the screen up here now for those of you that don't know Fast and Furious, and I don't know how you're not going to know Fast and Furious, but hey ho, some people don't. That is going to be the build of this car. It's going to be DK's 350Z. So we're going to go underneath the car, take the old ones off, and replace them with these beauties. It's a decap pipe joke. Jack, that's loud. Holy crap. You can see it over the car lot, there's little bits everywhere. This is little dings and tings that need to be fixed. So just a bit of imperfections in the paint. So rust is done. Rust is here, there. Jack is hugging his bonnet. This is basically where the Fast and Furious project begins. Yeah. Finally we can start repairing the rust. You can see here, looks a lot better. We did buy it to stop zooming on my face. 350 is getting done. It looks very depressed. Doors off, tops off, side skirts are off, fenders getting sanded down. I think we're going to wrap this now and then we'll show you what it looks like after. Don't walk and fart in the camera. New colours now on. What's your thoughts, Jack?
I like it.
It actually looks a lot better. We're just going to mix that filler. We're going to put it on the door and then we're going to sand it all down to make it all nice and smooth. We're ready for wrapping, but we're not going to wrap it today, are we? Yep. We've got some more sanding to do on this beast.
Heating this door up so we can make sure it's all dry before we put wrap on the door. There we go.
This door's now done. Jack's just sanding that down, prepping that.
Yeah, sanded.
We've probably got to wrap that because that shouldn't take us long, I don't think.
Probably about another 2 hours.
He's joking. Bit of a change of plan. We're hoping this plan will work. We've tested it on one panel already. It seems like it's going to. Plus also this will allow us to put it outside in the state that it's in. I have ordered the wrap as well for the car, so that will be coming very, very soon. So that's why we're hammering down on this prep. This has all been high build primered. This is going to bring out any little imperfections in the paint before we wrap it. So that is the plan. We are going to do this with every single panel, spray every single panel. Everything's been bodyworked. This needs bringing out a little bit more, hence the guide coat. We think the roof's done. The bonnet is done. Jack's just masking it all off now so we can start putting the spray on and start protecting that. Once that is done, we are going to start bulking out some more of this, and fixing a bit on the bonnet as well, where there was some air bubbles under the paint. 350 is now built up on this side, apart from the door handle and the side skirt. The side skirt is going to get wrapped in a gloss black. The 350Z fender emblem there is also wrapped in black for now, but it's all coming together. Right here, we've got the Veilside V3 kit. If we spin it round.
Okay, wait, just give me the camera.
Oh, great.
Give me the camera. Wait, look, we've got this. This is where it gets better. You got.
I'm a rapping man, what can I say? It's now Judgment Day, isn't it? It's Judgment Day for these arches.
Give me the screwdriver.
No. So here, you can see right at the very front, it doesn't fit for anything. But I think I'm going to have to show them the other side.
There we go.
I'm going to have to show them the other side. So if you come around this side, here, it fits. Now, the way we've had to fit this kit is adjust it as we go along. So this section right here, again, this bit has been cut out. So there's been a big line along there, and then we can obviously fiberglass that in. We haven't done that quite as of yet because we've got to do it on the rear as well. But to fit these to start with, we need to cut along this axis, and then we need to keep putting it up to the car where we need it and start filing out the inside.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Does that hurt you? Does that hurt you? Wait.
That hurts. That hurts. That actually doesn't.
Shall I give him knots and crosses?
Yeah, why not? Let's go.
Where are we going? Right.
I'm going middle. Absolutely fantastic. Looks so much wider as well from the front. Nah. Oh, there's a body kit there. Never mind. Jack is holding the rear because it keeps dropping. But look how much wider that is. She's gonna be wide, Jack. She's gonna.
I am wide.
No, she's gonna be wide. The box, the moment of truth. Why are you laughing? Ah! I mean, it's there. Look at that. That's some very nice looking carbon. It wants to be for how much it costs. So guess what now?
Fit it.
We fit it. It should only take 5-10 minutes. So it's a 20 by 11.5 J by negative 14 offset, and that's the brand we've gone for. Worked Zistance W5S. But here they are, the beautiful wonders of the world. Is that heavy, Jack? So they are wide, extremely wide. Comparison, Jack, put your hand on there. So yeah, they're very wide. They've got the matte black insert inside, and then they've got the chrome tip with the chrome bolts as well.
We're going to actually get to the round to fit in these rear arches. Well, at least one of them anyway. So Jack's just masking this side off, and we're going to get to cutting. What we're going to do is we're going to tackle this monstrosity. I don't mean Jack, I mean this. So we're going to tackle the spoiler. So you might just think, oh yeah, you buy a part, it goes on the car, that's it, it's ready, it's done. No, I wish it was.
So what we've got to do, connect this to the car, sort this out. We've got to put some fiberglass here to hold it in position. Then what we've got to do is take the arch off. When it's set, fiberglass the back. We're going to fiberglass fill it in, maybe a bit of dolphin glaze,
grind all the front back off, which is going to be fun. Well, we've got to kind of do that before we do the dolphin glaze, but not the point. So we're going to sort all that, smooth it all in. Just look at that. Look at it. Oh, God. Why is it taking off the arches? Because we're getting rid of the wrap, aren't we, Jack?
Yes.
We're getting rid of the wrap. Look at that damn colour. Why do I like that colour so much? We've got one bit left.
That is all.
One bit. But you might notice no front bumper, half done. Because, yes, efficiency at its finest. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the side skirts. This is the last step that we need to do on prepping this body kit, and I am excited because it's been eventful.
Get my hands up.
Hasn't it? It's been eventful. There was a lot of adjustments that we had to make with this kit, aren't they?
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of adjustments.
Every single panel and every single piece.
Yeah, it's had to have something done. It's like obviously I had big brains in the last one as well about cutting out the arch and the bumper on the front more. Glad we did that because it needs doing. Why does that look so satisfying? I think I just did an adult week. That actually looks really good, doesn't it? The concern though is the top. Yeah, it's the top bit that's the concern. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god. We made a boo-boo. So, when we first got the arches, we willy-nilly went straight into it and fitted it without the wheels. Big mistake with this kit. We found out after we'd done that, the arches themselves needed to go towards the car a little bit more. So we'd already riv nutted the car, so we made a boo-boo. So the easiest solution to fix that, rather than chemical welding where the riv nuts were, is to get another arch, start again, still use the same arch, wide arch, but different original arch. The time has come and I am pooping my pants. Honestly, I don't think I've ever been so scared in my entire life. This bonnet, let's just put this into perspective. It was over £1,000 the bonnet because it's real carbon. I waited 6 months. In fact, was it 6 months or was it a year?
Oh no, I've got a feeling you might be waiting for another one.
We've now got to cut it, and you might be like, well, why have you got to cut it? Because it's so lightweight. When you're driving, these corners, like, it does this. So these aero catches are designed to basically pin it down. Because it's so lightweight, it helps hold it down with the original catch.
It actually came with a leaflet that told you.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, to advise to do it. So it needs to be done. So I'm guessing they're going to sit somewhere here. My guess. I'm really not looking forward to it. I'm really not. And this thing
And if anyone
is going for paint.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah.
But if anyone does ever ask us to fit these bonnet latches, we're probably going to say no.
Yeah, it's not happening. Not happening. Too much stress. Like, I had sweating palpitations doing that. Kuba at Protect Smart, he actually did a solid job on this car, didn't he?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it come back looking like a completely fucking different car. So in the process of us driving to this place, we're going to leave you in his capable hands and show you just exactly how he ripped this car apart, literally.
This is pretty much the first video that I'm taking of the Z, Rusty's 350Z. A bit of work has been done to it already. It came, all the panels were on the car but I've been taking it off. I've took all the panels off, I've put them away. Thought I'll start on the car first. So here it is, the Z is currently painted. I prepped it, remasked it, and it's currently done. It's come out pretty clean, only very few bits of dust in it. So here the car's all painted, the actual car itself. The doors, both wings are back on the car. And here we go with literally just primed both bumpers, the rear spoiler and both side skirts. So they all got high build primer on them. It's basically dry now, I think. So we're gonna crack on and we need to sand it all down and get it all ready for paint. Both skirts and the the spoiler has been painted, and I actually put one of them on just to see what it looks like, and yeah, that does look pretty good. The car's starting to really, you know, start looking sort of complete-ish. The front and rear bumpers are on as well. Guys, I'm blown away. The car's basically done. The only things I've got left to do is mirrors and handles, but I've just put pretty much, well, everything apart from the bits on the car, and it looks insane, honestly, especially now with this light. So here it is, it's all done, all complete. The wing mirrors are back on. I've painted them black because they've been poorly wrapped. Same with the handles, so they're nice and black, nice fresh. Just to be fair, I just need to clean the windows a bit more, but other than that, it is actually complete and it's looking unreal. I had it outside and it looks crazy, honestly. It's so wide as well and everything. It's really good.
We're on our way to get the graphics put on the 350, finally.
You have to remember, I'm going to come down here, we've never actually put a body kit on a car, have we? Never mind a wide body kit.
Wait.
So, to me...
Scoot. You need to go in the corner.
Which corner? This.
Just there you go.
So...
Why do you sound like a sheep?
I don't know. But we've never actually fitted a wide body kit. And, in all honesty, to say that it was our first attempt, I'm pretty impressed with that. Like, we could fit one of these really easy. In all honesty, I'm not going to lie, next time we could fit it really easy.
Now we know.
But don't let anybody ever tell you can't do something, because like literally from the beginning, yes, it's took a while, but my God, does that look fucking good.